In this super short video, I'm going to show you a hack that takes 2 minutes to fix a really common warning, which is low salt or low water flow coming from your chlorinator. G'day DIY pool legends. Well, today I'm going to show you if you are getting a low salt indication or a low water flow indication showing up on your chlorinator, how to fix that for absolutely no cost. The reason why you want to do this is because you know you've got plenty of salt in your pool, or you can see that there's plenty of water flow coming through the salt cell, so you know that it's definitely there. Okay, so first step is drain all the water out of the salt cell. You can do that by taking the lid off the pump. You can see the cell's nice and empty of water now, and really simple. So take off the capping, spin the collar off. Now if the salt cell doesn't want to slide out nice and easily, get a butter knife in between the seal and that clear housing and just gently break the seal and it will slide straight out. Now what you're looking for is right at the back there, you can see like an L-shape little sensor, and that's what the system relies on to be able to pick up water flow and salt. So if that's looking a little bit grubby, then just give it a clean. You can get in there with a cloth or a toothbrush, just be gentle with it. It is a sensor, and once it's looking nice and clean and new, then just reverse the order. Put everything back in, put the lid back on your pump, fire it up, make sure your salt cell and that clear housing that you can see there is then once again filled with water, and you'll hopefully find 8 times out of 10 that will clear that alert that you've either got no water flow from the pump or you've got low salt. It's going to save you a heap of money, because if you do need to replace the salt cell, then they are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So definitely do that one first, and then hopefully you've saved yourself plenty of cash and you're back up and running all inside of 2 minutes.